Hello students, welcome to Gurukul Online Learning Network. Me Abed Ali Khan. Today I will discuss with you about the similarity of triangles. If I can manage time today, I will also explain you about the congruency of triangle. So these two things in the triangle is also another important part. One is the similarity of the triangle, which one I am discussing first. Okay. So here you look on the board, there is a triangle ABC and a triangle XYZ. So if it's written that angle B and angle Y is given, so I can write here angle ABC is equal to angle XYZ. It means that angle XYZ, it's given that they are equal. In some cases we'll find some of the triangles we might find out the reason that why they are equal. Okay, but it's given, I'm saying you that. And another angle, if I consider this one, angle A and angle X is given. So I can write here angle BAX is equal to angle YXZ. YXZ, it's also given. So if these two triangles are given, then I can say that the third angle of the triangle must be equal. So what we are getting the concept from here is that triangle, if I write here, triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, though it's given angle ABC is equal to angle XYZ, okay, XYZ, so the reason is that given, okay, and the angle BAC is equal to angle YXZ, it's also given. So if it's given from the questions, therefore I can write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Okay, so let me make it very clear to you is that from the first problem what we are telling is that it's given, so that's what is easier for us to explain this. But if the sides are not given, then it is a problem. Okay, the first problem I have shown you are very simple, that in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, that angle B is equal to angle Y, it's given, and angle A is equal to angle X, it's given. It means that the two triangles, if two angles are equal, then the third angle also must be equal. Okay, we will gonna solve out this problem very soon. So here I can write here, and if these two triangles are similarly equal, if these two triangles are similar, then there is another logic we can say, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Here the students need to understand that what is mean by corresponding sides. So corresponding sides, if I consider, suppose here is angle B, so its opposite side is what? AC. So if two triangles are similar, then their opposite sides, or proportionally they are equal. Okay, let me show you about this. So if I write here, if I consider angle B, so angle B, the opposite side is what? AC, and this angle is similar to, is equal to Y from triangle XYZ. Okay, so the same angle, the opposite side is XZ if I consider angle Y. Now what I will gonna look then, if I consider the angle A, then their opposite side is what? BC, and with the similar angles are equal here X, so their opposite side is what? YZ. So I am writing here YZ. Okay, and the third angle, as I said you before, that if the two triangles, if the two angles are equal, then the third angle must be equal. Okay, so this is the third angle. So this is the third angle, opposite side is what? AB is equal to, this is the third angle, the opposite side is XY. So you see that their corresponding sides are proportionally equal. So I can write here now the logic. So if I write here in the third bracket that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding, so you see that if the two triangles are similar, first what we have found, that we have proved that these two triangles are similar as the angles are given that they are equal. Okay. So here what I can say is that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportionally equal. Okay, that's what I have shown you here. So try to understand this, that if I am telling you to make it clear, if the angle B is equal to angle Y, okay, so angle B, the opposite side is AC, and angle Y, the opposite side is XZ. So there you see that these two sides are proportional. Then equal to, if I am considering the second angle A, then this angle is equal to angle X. So here angle A opposite side is BC and angle X is opposite side is YZ. So what I have written here, BC by YZ. And then the third angle, if I consider the third angle C, then the opposite side is AB, the corresponding opposite side is AB, and the third angle is Z, the opposite side is XY. So what I have written in the last, that AB by XY. So here the reason is that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportionally equal. So if we understand this, then we can able to solve many problems, which is coming in the next sum. Okay, so you see that the problems what I discussed with you in my first problem, that there was given two angles, but you might get a problem like this. Okay, so if we consider a triangle like this, let the name of the triangle A, B, C, D and E. So you see that there are two triangles, one is ABC and the another triangle is ADE. So one is a smaller triangle, another one is bigger triangle. And now the question here it comes that proof triangle ABC, okay, it's a question, proof triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Okay, ADE. So there are two triangles, as I said you, that ABC is similar to triangle ADE. So here student understand two things about the similarity sign, the two equal and one similarity signs I am giving. Okay, so this is the similarity sign. Here what they ask me to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, where BC is parallel, as I discussed in my previous lecture, that about the parallel lines. So here it comes, where BC is parallel to DE. So this is the sign. Okay, so it's given that BC is parallel to DE. So if I remember about the corresponding angle and alternate angle, then you can come to know about it very easily, that if these two lines are parallel, then I can say that angle B is equal to angle D. Why they are equal? Due to the reason is that corresponding angle. Okay, because if you understand about the corresponding angle in our last lectures, then you can easily come to know about it. Okay, and angle C will be equal to angle E. Similarly I can say, so if I write here, in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, angle ABC is equal to angle ADE, and the reason is that corresponding angle. I am writing here for the time shortage easily as CO, but you have to write the full form. Okay, corresponding angle we have discussed in our last lectures, so you can come to know about it. These two lines are parallel, then the above angles of a straight line, where if it cuts the two parallel lines, then angle D will be equal to angle B, and the reason is that corresponding angle. And similarly, if I say that angle ACB also will be equal to angle AED, and the reason is corresponding angle. I am writing to make you understand this one fully, no problem. Okay, in exam never write like CO. In the examination copy you have to write the full form, the corresponding angle, so the examiner can understand that you have understood the concept. Okay, so if these two lines are parallel, then I can say that angle B is equal to angle D and angle C is equal to angle E. So now I can say that therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Because if two angles of the triangles are equal, then we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, So this is the proof what I have explained to you. Now let's move on to the problem. Suppose if I draw a new problem for you, okay. So now here you see that I have drawn another triangle for you. So here try to understand the first diagram, that ABC and a triangle ADC. So there is two triangle, and what is our question is that I have to find the letter F and the value of letter E. So here, for understanding more clearly, what I am doing is that I am drawing this triangle into two parts. If you cannot understand any diagram, you draw it into two parts. That's my best advice for my student, okay? So you can easily understand and you can figure out the sides and angles of the triangle more clearly. So if I name them, you see here ABC, I have drawn it here for you to make you understand, and ADE and ADC, okay? So there are two triangles. I have drawn it, the one triangle into two parts, okay? So now you see AB, the side is given here 6, AC is given here E, and if I consider AD, then I have to add these two sides, isn't it? AB plus BD. So I can write here 6 plus 2, okay? And the another side is AC, okay? AC, if I draw the triangle AC, so AC is given here, sorry, this will be E. Okay, so this one will be E plus 3 as usual, because this is the bigger side. So I have to add this AC plus CE, that it comes here E plus 3. You have to put up the sides value very carefully, or else your maths might become wrong if you cannot put the values like this. So again I am telling, AB the value is given 6, AC is given E, and AD, as the diagram has shown, I will add these two sides, so that will be 6 plus 2 and then E plus 3. Here it is. So what I said is that if two triangles are similar, so I know that these two triangles are similar. Why? Because they have already said it and there are parallel lines and the corresponding else I have shown the proof, okay? So here I am not showing the proof anymore, I am just writing the reason, that what we can say is that if angle B is equal here to angle D and angle C is equal to angle E. So you see that how I am choosing the sides now. So if I consider angle B, the opposite side is what? AC, as before. And angle B is equal to angle D. So angle D, opposite side will be AE. Okay, now you come to the second angle, the same way. Second angle, opposite side is AB, and the second, this angle, angle C is equal to angle E. So angle E, opposite side is 6 plus 2. And the third angle is, you know what, A. So A, opposite side is BC. And the third angle, opposite side is DE. Okay, you have to understand this concept, because if these two triangles are similar, then if I consider angle B, the opposite side will be AC. So I have written, you see, I am considering this angle first. So all letters are coming at the top. You cannot topple it up, okay? So if you consider this triangle AB, I am writing here, this angle AC, then this angle is equal AE, I have written at the bottom. So all time you have to maintain that. The top one, consider which triangle you have chosen, the sides will be at the top. And the triangle which you have chosen second time, the sides will be at the bottom. You cannot mix it up, okay? So now you see that I have to find here, now I am putting the values of AC. What is AC? It's here. AC is given E. So E by AE. So what is AE here? AE. AC is E and AE is E plus 3. So let me write here the values. Instead of AE, I can write E plus 3. The same way, what is the value for AB, sides AB? Here is given, AB is, it's here given 6, and at the bottom it's 6 plus 2. And then the side is BC, what we do not need it. Actually, if I can sort out this, I can easily find the value of E here. Okay, and there is another letter, it's given here F, and DE is also 6. So I can write here directly, like BC is, F is given, and D is 6 is given. So if I can sort it out with this, I can come up to find the formula E, to find the value for E, letter E, I can sort it out. And F, then I can find it, okay? So now you see that how I'm solving this? So I'm coming here. Okay, from here to here. So I'm writing this one. E plus 3 equals to 6 plus 8, as 6 plus 2 is 8. Then you know the 8E, by crossing I can write here 6E plus 3. Then 8E equals to 6E plus 18. Then 8E minus 6E equals to 18. So 2E equals to 18. So E is coming here 9. 9 will be the answer. So the value of E, it's coming here 9. Now I can write here. Okay? And then come to know about F. So as I can consider these two, I can easily find F by cross multiplying with the same way. So let me show you over here. Suppose 6 by 8, I'm considering this one. If you want, you can also consider the value of this. It doesn't matter because they are proportionally equal. So to understand that concept, I'm using these two. Okay? So 6 plus 8 equals to F by 6. So again, you do the cross multiply. So here it's coming 36 and 8F. So F, if I can find out F, so it's coming what? 36 by 8. Okay? So if you make it the number to the less fraction, 2 18s, 2 4s, and again one more, 2 9s 18, 2 2s 4. So F it's coming, you can keep your answer is in a fraction form or else in a decimal way. No problem. So make the corrections again. So 6 by 6. 6 by 8 it's coming here because AB, where is AB? AB with the value is 6, AB by AD. So 6 by 8 and here it's coming BC by DE, that is F by 6. So 6 is the 36, right. So F it's coming 9 by 2. So here you can write 4.5. So this one problem has been solved. So here I can write here F equals to 4.5. So like this, if I can show you one more problem, that will be better for me. So there is another problem I'm discussing with you. Okay. So here the diagram you see first very carefully, that angle ABC. Here is also there is a two triangle. Okay, I will draw separately to make you understand this again, no problem. So triangle ABC is a bigger triangle and another one is that BDC is the another triangle. So if I draw this into two parts, let me draw it later for you, but please try to understand that here the angle BAC, according to the question, angle DBC, it's given they are equal. Okay, angle A and angle B is equal, it's given. And what we have to find here? We have to find here M, letter M and letter N. So what, as I said before, to make it easily, to make it more easily, I will draw this triangle into two parts. So one is the bigger triangle and another one is the smaller triangle. So here angle B and angle A is equal because it's given D and C. So what we can say is that in these two triangles, if you see carefully, that angle C is a common angle for both of the triangle. So I can mark here, you see, so angle C is also equal. One reason is that from the given, and another one we have found that angle C is a common angle. Okay, because this is the common angle for both triangles. So the same way, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. We have proved that two angles of these triangles are equal, correspondingly equal. So I can say that their corresponding sides are proportional. So again, you see, if I consider angle A, I'm taking the opposite sides of BC. And this angle is equal to angle this angle is equal. It means that angle A is equal to angle B. So angle B opposite side is what? DC. So I'm writing this at the bottom. Okay. So now I'm coming for the second angle, angle C. So the opposite side is AB. And this angle C is a common angle for both triangle. So this opposite side is BD. So if I write the value here, BD. And the third side, what I'm considering is AC. So same way, AC in two parts, N plus 2, and DC is 2. So if it is, as there is no space, so I can write it also here because they are proportionally equal. It doesn't matter, it's which side it is, okay? So I can write here AC by DC. I hope now you understand how we will gonna choose the sides of the two triangle. Okay, this is very important in similarity, to choose the sides and their corresponding equal. So if I write the value of here like AC, it's coming here n plus 2 divided by DC, AC, third angle, and here is the third angle. So it's coming BC. Okay, so AC by, here it's coming the third side, angle AC by BC. So it's coming n plus 2 by 4. Now I'm putting the values, okay? And here AB value is M. What is the value for BC? So we're going to find it out. So BC, it's here 4. Okay? And divided by DC, here 2. And then it comes about the AB, the value, the sides of AB, the value is M. Okay, for the bigger triangle. And the value of the smaller side is BD3. So after putting the values, again I need to sort it out. To find the value of M, I will do this cross multiplication. So it's coming 3 4s are 12 equals to 2M. So M equals to 6. Here I can find that the values of M is 6. So if you give the units, if it's given in the units in centimeter, in meter, or in kilometer, so in some cases you have to write also the units. So as here I'm not bothering about the units, I'm just giving you the concept how to solve the similarity of the triangles, how you're going to sort out this problem. Okay, so here the value of M is 6. So now our main concept is to find the value of N. So I'm doing this part together. So 2 in bracket cross multiply. If I do this, here I'm coming 16. So 2n plus 4 equals to 16. So 2n is equal to 16 minus 4, that is 12. So n is coming here 6. So that's your answer. So here your n is also coming 6. Okay? So if you put the values of n here and m here, then you can find the ratio of the corresponding sides are proportionally equal. That's what today our lecture was, to make you understand, our students, that what is the similarity of the triangles and how we can do it. That's what 2 problems I've discussed with you, 1 proof I have shown with you. So if you face any sort of problem regarding maths in similarity on triangles, you can send your problems on comment box on online Gurukul Online Learning Network, and we're gonna sort it out. Okay? Thank you very much for today. Have a nice time.